Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I am going to share some of the things that I do to motivate myself when I don't feel like studying. It's very simple, very personal, and I hope it helps. The first and the best tip is to change your location. Just pull yourself from your routine location and go to some place very new, because the novelty of that place will stimulate your brain subconsciously, and that will make you to learn more. The second tip is to get inspired. You can discuss a topic with a friend, or you can talk to a sibling about your low motivation, or you can get inspired from YouTube channel, study with me sessions and all. Because we become what we surround ourselves with, right? So surround yourself with inspiration. Third of all, you can allot a reward for your study. It should be inexpensive materialistic things. Everybody gets joy from something. For example, I like to buy a color pen of my favorite choice. So that gives me a sense of joy. So you have to set yourself, if I study this much time, I get that as a reward today. That will motivate you to study. And the fourth tip is, you have to allot time to waste time. If you're someone scrolling down your phone, or you're just having your book open, you know you have to study but you are wasting time. You're feeling guilty also, but you're not studying also. If that's the case, just tell yourself, allot a time from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, I'm going to waste time. Till then, I have no permission to waste time. Set a limit. What happens is, you study till 9 o'clock. When 9 o'clock comes, you completely are guilt-free to waste time. That gives you joy, and you will use the time productively also. So these are the 4 important tips. Okay, you have tried these, and if you have some motivation, very less motivation to study, how to start studying? So the first thing I would suggest is, start with one of your favorite or very simple topics, because that will increase your confidence and that will want you to study more. Second thing you can do is, set very less limits. For example, if you have to study 50 questions for an exam, limit yourself to 2 questions right now. Tell yourself, if I study those 2 questions, then I am very good to go. After 2 questions, you will want to study 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. This will make you study all the 50. This is a trick. And third of all, don't try to be perfect in the beginning. In the beginning, I am saying, when you are starting, don't try to understand all the complex mechanisms. No, just allow yourself to just be liberal and start with low expectations. And when you are having that pace, then you have to dig in and explore all the mechanisms. Alright, so these are the things I try, and some things work at sometimes, some works at other time. If none of these things are working, I would suggest you to try this. Address why you are not feeling motivated. There will be some reason for that. Maybe you're sleep deprived, or you had too much food, or you are feeling hungry, or maybe your emotional state is not stable. There will be some reason. Just sort that reason and figure out that problem. That will help to get motivation. Second of all, think of how you are going to feel after the exam. If I am not studying right now, how am I going to feel after the exam? Am I going to have any regret after exam? And that regret, will that feel good? Ask yourself this. This will make you to study right now. It works, okay? So the third thing, if these things are not working, go back and think of the big picture. Why you wanted to take up this course? It may be anything. Whatever you are studying, why I took up this course? What's the big picture? What was the main goal before starting this course? Remind yourself of that. And the final tip is, guys, self-discipline. I can't stress this more. If you're motivated within you to do something, you will do it. But if you're not motivated, nobody in this world can push you. So the self-discipline comes from you. Nobody will come and push you to study every time, right? If you're self-disciplined, definitely you can achieve your dream. If you think that you're too late to start studying something, I would like to quote one of my favorite quotations. No one can go back and make a new beginning, but anybody can start right now and make a happy ending. So stay motivated, stay happy, All the best everyone. Hope these tips help you. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.